Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is Helper Hut here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to trim or cut a video in DaVinci Resolve. So this will hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. First, let's start from scratch by importing our video into DaVinci Resolve. Make sure you are on the edit layout. Drag your video to the timeline. Move the playhead to the point in time you want to cut or trim the video. Select the blade tool, then click at the playhead. Now you can move or delete the parts you want. You can cut your video clip multiple times. All done. So pretty straightforward process guys, do possible to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.